Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video we will learn switch case, that is second type of conditional statement. So let's start. What is the syntax of switch case? So this is the syntax. Switch bracket, inside bracket we have to put the variable for which we have to check the condition. After that case value, here we write case, then value, that is like as 1 2 3, case 1, case 2, case 3. After that colon. After that we write the code and break. This break keyword is used to stop the case here and again here and again here. If these break statements are not used, then all of the cases will run and all of the code will run, that result into all of the output produced by each and every case, and we don't want that to be happen. So we use the break statement, and also we have to define a default case for every switch case statement. So it is similar like case value. So in place of case value we write default colon, after that code and break and semicolon close, curly break close. So let us take an example in order to understand it better. So we will take an example related to weekdays. So as a basic usual structure, we have initially included the header files studio.h and conio.h. After that we had the main function. As you all know, for if we want to input any number, then we have to declare it by integer type. We will declare a variable named day of type integer. After that clear screen clr scr function. After that we will show a message to the user that enter a number between 1 to 7 for checking the weekday. Scanf percentile d as day. Percentile d denotes the integer type of value, and this shows that this value will be stored at the address of day variable. After that we will use switch case as we have discussed its syntax switch, and here the variable for which we have to check the condition. After that curly braces open, case, and after that its value, case, after that its value, case 1 colon, the code printf Sunday, first day of a week is Sunday, then break, again case 2 printf Monday, break, similarly case 3 printf Tuesday, break, case 4 printf Wednesday, break, case 5 printf Thursday, break. Further, case 6 colon printf Friday, terminator, that is semicolon, break, semicolon. Case 7 colon code, that is printf Saturday, break, semicolon. Default colon code printf invalid input, break. This is the curly braces of switch case that has been closed here. After that the get character function, that is get ch, and its terminator, semicolon, and after that we will close the curly braces of main function. So you can have a complete view here of this program. As you all know that in a week we have 7 days, so we have 7 cases, case 1 to case 7, and a default case if the input entered is not in between 1 to 7. So this is a basic program for checking a weekdays. I hope you will get it, friends. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you, friends.